Oh, David Pfizer, I'm shaking in my bones right now. Oh, my bones are shaking out of fear that you might come and kidnap me and then destroy me. Oh my goodness, I am scared of you. Right. But seriously, you mad? Why are you calling me at 11 p.m. Central Time and then yelling in my ear and being all like, I'm David Pfizer. I live in California. You better stop making videos of my friends. I am angry. I'm gonna come in and get that dinosaur. I'm David Pfizer.
Oh, I'm sorry, Marty.
Huh. Ooh. I see. Obviously, I know what the root of this is. You're just kind of jealous that what I collected as a child is still relevant and considered cool compared to what you collected as a child. But let me just tell you, you will never lay hands on my dinosaurs. And you are no threat. And by the way, go take a shower, man. I can smell your labrador tightness from here, if you know what I mean. Smell like Funyuns. You disgust me.